Good morning everyone. Today I am going to take a lecture of probability and statistics chapter number 3rd, and the topic is the median. Okay, so this is the example for the median. The question is following table given the weekly expenditure of 100 workers. Okay, find the median weekly expenditure. So here given in the your class interval and your frequency. Okay, so don't be confused. Sometimes given in the smaller, so this is very easy for finding the frequency. But sometimes we are given in the number of work. Okay, so always keep in mind if your question given in the number of form, that means we are given in the frequency. Okay, so here the weekly expenditure in the Indian national rupees. So here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. This is your class interval. Okay, and according to this class interval, we are given in the number of workers. That is the frequency. Okay, so here the frequency is 14, 23, 27, 21 and 50. Okay, so according to this class interval, we are given in the frequency. So first you check your class interval given in the inclusive form or exclusive form. Okay, that means what? If your class interval given in 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that means the upper limit is equal to lower limit of the next class interval. That means this is the upper limit is 20. So next class interval lower limit is what? 20. So this is the exclusive form. Sometimes your class interval given in the inclusive form. That means for example 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. So first you convert this type of the class interval into the exclusive form. We have already seen in the previous lecture what is the process for finding the exclusive form class interval. Okay, here given in the number of workers and we find the median. Okay, so first we map the column of the cumulative frequency. So your cumulative frequency, first we write here the as it is same value, that means 14. After that 14 plus 23, that means 37. Okay, 37 plus 27, that means 64. Okay, 64 plus 21, that means 85. Okay, and 85 plus 15, that means 100. So first we map the column of the cumulative frequency. Okay, after that we write here the summation f. Summation f, that means capital N is equal to 100, and always don't we count here the again the 14 plus 23 plus 27. Here the last value, the column of the CF, the last value in the increasing order. This is your CF. Okay, CF, that means summation f. So summation f is equal to 100. Okay, after that, that means this is your capital N. So first we find the n by 2. So what is the value of the n by 2? N by 2, that means 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Got it? So this is n by 2 is equal to 50. So we check here according to CF column just a greater value. That means this is your 50, n by 2 is equal to 50. So just a greater value according to this 50. So in this column, just a greater value is 64. Okay, so here you highlight this row. This is your median class. What is how we find the median class? First you find the n by 2 and just a greater value according to this n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to 50 and just the greater value is what? 64. Okay, so this is your median class. So median class is equal to what? Median class is equal to 20 to 30. Okay, 20 to 30. So this is a less than type frequency or greater than type of frequency. Okay, so don't be confused here. You check here the CF column. This is the increasing order. Small value, just greater value, greater value, greater value, and maximum value. Okay, that means if your CF is given in the increasing order, that means this is the less than type of the frequency distribution. Okay, so formula is median is equal to L plus H upon F n by 2 minus C. Got it? So here L is equal to lower limit of the median class. So 20 to 30 is the median class. So lower limit is what? Lower limit is 20. So L is equal to 20. Okay. H is equal to what? H is equal to width of the class interval. So your class interval is 20 to 30. So difference is 10. All the class interval difference are equal. 10. Okay. So H is equal to 10. Okay. F is equal to what? F is the frequency of the median class. To see here, this highlight row, according to frequency, you highlight the frequency is what? 27. So we write here F is equal to 27. Okay. Next one is the n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to 50. We have already found here n by 2 is equal to 50. 50. And C is equal to what? C is this is the less than type of the frequency distribution. So C is equal to what? Preceding value. Okay. So here you check here. This is your median class in the CF column. You highlight the 64. Okay. So according to this 64, just the previous and just after value is what? 37 and 85. Got it? 37 and 85. And what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 37. So C is equal to what? C is equal to 37. Got it? So put here all these values in this formula. So median is equal to L, that means 20, plus H, that means 10, divided by F, that means 27. Okay? N by 2, 50, minus 37. Okay, so your value is what? 20 plus 10 by 27, 50 minus 37. Solve this value and we get the 24.814. This is your median. Okay, according to less than frequency distribution. Okay, so this is the example of the number of workers and weekly expenditure. So our median is 24.814. The example of the lesson frequency, we are given in the marks less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40 and less than 45. Okay, according to this we are given in the number of students 29 to 24, 465, 582, 634, 644, 650, 653, 655. Okay, so we are given in these two values according to our question. Okay, so this is the less than type of the frequency distribution because of here given in the less than sign. Second one is the here in the less than 5 marks, the number of students is 29. Listen carefully. Less than 5 marks, less than 5, the number of students is 29. But marks less than 10. So in the less than 10, less than 5 are already included. Got it? So total number of students is 224. Okay. Less than 15, marks less than 15. So in the less than 15, less than 5 and less than 10 are already included. Got it? So total number of students is 465. Okay. So this question is given in this format. So first, according to this question, your number of students, that means we are given in the CF, cumulative frequency. Because of here, the number of students are 8 less than 5, that means only less than 5 students is 25. But less than 10, that means less than 5 are already included. So this number 224 is the sum of less than 5 and less than 10 students both. Got it? So according to this question, always keep in mind if your question given in the less than type or greater than type. So this is given in the cumulative frequency. Okay, not in the simple frequency. Got it? So first we map the class interval. So what is the process for finding the class interval? So don't worry, first you check the difference is what? The difference is 5. So we map the class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and 40 to 45. This is our answer, solution of this question. Okay, so first we map the class interval according to our marks lesson. Okay, so we map the class interval. After that, we map the column of F. So before finding the F, we write here the value of the CF given in your question. So we copy here, just copy and paste here 29 to 24 and last value is 655. Okay, we have already seen this type of the question, a question given in the cumulative frequency form. So first we map the F, that means frequency. So you write here first values as it is. Okay, and because of these values are already added. So next value. So we here find this value. We subtract from 224 minus 29, 195. 465 minus 224, 241. 582 minus 465, 117. 634 minus 582, 52. 644 minus 634, 10. 650 minus 644, 6. 653 minus 650, 3. And 655 minus 653 is equal to 2. Okay, so here we are given in the CF, so just you write the first term is as it is, and after that every term you subtract from every next value, subtract by the previous value. Okay, in case if you have any confusion, so according to this app, we manage CF. This is very easy process. So first term is as it is. So 29 plus 195, 224. 224 plus 241, 465. 465 plus 117, 582. 582 plus 52, 634. 634 plus 10, 644. 644 plus 6, 650. 650 plus 3, 653, and 653 plus 2 is equal to 655. Okay, so this is your solution, your class interval, your frequency, and your CF. Okay, so for finding the median, you find the summation F. So summation F capital N is equal to what? 655, the last value, or you write here 655. Okay, your summation F. Okay, so n is equal to 655. So divided by the 2, that means n by 2 is equal to what? 327.5. Okay, so according to CF column, we find just the greater value 327.5. So just the greater value according to 327.5. So 327.5, just the greater value is 465. Okay, so this is what? This is your median class. So you write here median class 10 to 15. Got it? So your median class is 10 to 15, and according to your CR, this is the less than type of the frequency distribution. So formula is what? Median is equal to L plus H upon F n by 2 minus C. Okay, so you write here L is equal to what? L is equal to lower limit of the median class, that means 10. Okay, H is equal to what? H is the width of the class interval, that means 5, because our difference is 5, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Okay, F is equal to what? So F is equal to, according to this median class, F is equal to 241. So we write here 241. Okay, next one is the n by 2. So already we find the value of n by 2 is equal to 327. Point. Okay, next value is the capital C. So how we find the C? C is equal to what? So this is the less than type of frequency distribution. So you check here the CF column, and your CF column you highlight the 465. So according to this 465, just a before and after value. So So before value is what? 224. And after value is what? 532. So always consider the minimum value. So capital C is equal to what? 224. Because of 224 and 582, the minimum value is 224. So in the less than frequency or greater than frequency, always for finding the capital C, you just see the highlight value in the CF column, and this highlight value you find just before and just after value, and consider the minimum value according to these two values. Okay, so your capital C is 224. So put all these values in your formula. So put here N is equal to 10 plus H is equal to 5, F is equal to 241, and by 2 is equal to 327.5, and C is equal to 224. Okay, so we put here all these values, and after that we find our final answer is 12.1473. This is your median. Okay, so this is the example of the less than type of the frequency distribution. So I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for